Binge eating isn't about hunger, it's about pain. I remember being 15 and binge eating in the dark alone at midnight, eating Sour Patch Kids or burgers or whatever I could find, but it wasn't because I was hungry, it was because I was sad, angry, depressed, anxious, and I was just eating my emotions because that's all I knew how to do. And a lot of you guys struggle with the exact same thing.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
If you can relate to what we're talking about, this video is absolutely for you. 100% of the women that contact us to help them to get healthy and lose weight are emotional eaters.
So how do you stop binge eating? How the heck are you supposed to stop when the food is so addictive and it tastes so good? That's a really good question. I had the same one. And for a long time, I didn't nail it because I would keep playing this tug and pull game. I'd eat healthy food on the weekdays and then I'd have one binge day, or I'd call it a cheat day. And if you're doing that, you're still not getting the results because you're doing that.
It isn't about portion control. It's more about the repression. It's more about the anger. It's more about reward loops that are happening neurologically.
One thing I can tell you to do that will help you stop binging is to start making the junk food that you love at home out of whole ingredients. And if you're like, I don't know how to do that, you've actually came to the right place because that is exactly how I lost 160 pounds. By learning how to make every single junk food out there that I loved, because I loved all the junk food. And we're foodies, we love food. We just teach you guys how to make any recipe you want. We even custom create recipes with you on the spot when you have that craving.
Totally. There's another layer deeper to this about understanding the neural hunger patterns. And when you start to unpack that concept and learn more about our methods, you can really start to heal your relationship with food forever. Until and unless you address the neural networking, you will continue to relapse.
One thing that really helped me on my journey to overcome binge eating was not being alone. It was when I was alone that I was able to binge. And so in our program, you're not alone anymore. You're with a bunch of other women who struggle with the exact same things every day. We're all battling this demon, and you can overcome it. You can overcome binge eating. And with the support of Mom and I and all the wonderful women in our group, that's what actually gets you to not binge again, to heal the binging and to come to us when you want to binge, or come to your journal when you want to binge, or a dance party.
Well, what we do is we help you to rewire your system. And if you really want to know what actually works, it's the implementation of the HEART method, which you can learn more about. It's a book and a body of work that I've been working on, the architecture of hunger and understanding our methodology. And we're actually delivering it for free on Spotify. At the Step It Up podcast is also found there. It's a little additional content that we don't have here, audio only. So you might really enjoy diving into that. And then if you really want to understand how to create new ways of emotional resilience, then you definitely want to consider joining our program, because it's not about counting macros. If it were that simple, it would be that simple.
We don't tell you what to eat. We don't tell you how many calories to eat. We don't tell you to track your macros. We are here for what you're ready for. And then you decide what your next step is, and we're there for you every step of the way. That's why we call it Step It Up. We've lost over 260 pounds without any loose skin, all naturally, no drugs, and we learned to become amazing chefs out of it. So you learn so much, and you learn it forever. We don't want you in our program forever. We want you to take those skills, put them in your home, and live the most amazing, vital life you've ever had. We want you to have your energy back. You can heal your gut microbiome. You can reduce your inflammation. The list goes on and on. I can't wait to see you on the other side. If you're a woman and you're ready to lose the weight, click the link in the description.
Let's break the cycle for good.
It ends with you. If you would like to donate to our mission, our Venmo is in the description down below. We would love to keep providing you these amazing videos 5 days a week, but we need your support as well. So don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on all the social medias. We love you so much, and we will see you all the time.
Hey, we noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed, which means you're watching our videos, you like the content, but you haven't made the commitment. So we would love it if you would subscribe. And if you want to join our Women's Accountability Group, don't forget to click the link in the description to join. soon. We're only accepting amazing, awesome, and ready women. So please join if you're one of those. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will see you all the time.